Hello to all our neighbors, community members, friends, and gardeners. This is the first video from Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated Sigma Kappa Omega Chapter's gardening series, Gifts from the Garden. This series is produced to reach and teach our community about growing your own vegetable garden. This can be done for several reasons. You may be concerned about the rising cost of fresh vegetables, or you may live in a food desert where fresh vegetables are not within a 3-mile radius of your home. You may want to grow your own vegetables for health reasons or to minimize the amount of preservatives in your food. Or possibly you desire to have a hobby that is satisfying, productive, and fulfilling. If there is anything mentioned that resonates with you, then you are in the right place. Gardening is all those things and more.
First things first. Today, we will discuss preparing your soil for vegetable gardening. I am located in Ivy Gardens at Brown Recreation Center in Greensboro, North Carolina. As you can see, there are several raised beds in this garden, but you can garden using a pot, a plastic container, or create an actual traditional garden if you have the space. Gardening can take place anywhere. After deciding on the location of your garden, you will need plants or seeds for planting, a source of water, sunshine, and of course, soil. All soil is not created equal. Having great soil in your garden is a must for healthy growing plants. Soil types are clay soil with dense particles and can drain slowly and become hard. Sandy soil is opposite of clay and has large particles that move water through easily along with the nutrients. Silk soil has fine particle sizes that pack together tightly, inhibiting drainage. Loam soil is the ideal soil that contains a balance of all three mineral particles. The three benefits of using loam soil are aeration, that allows oxygen to flow freely to the plant, nutrient retention, that ensures that nutrients cling to the soil rather than be washed away in watering, and moisture retention, that allows the water to drain through the soil at an ideal pace. Adding organic matter like compost material and manure is the best way to make soil more loam-like. Another option is to use a raised garden bed and fill it with well-balanced soil mix. Remember, achieving the right soil balance for aeration, nutrient retention, and moisture retention is one of the first steps to creating a healthy and productive garden. Thank you for joining us, and happy gardening.
Thank you for joining us for this gardening moment. This is Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated Sigma Kappa Omega Chapter gardening series, encouraging you to get your gifts from the garden.